हेलो मैम, कैसी हैं आप?
हेलो।
हाँ,
आज का
एक बार
सेशन
मैम।
काफी मजेदार जा रहा
जी मैम,
है।
मेरे को तो मतलब काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। और फिर अच्छी बात यह है कि जो सीरीज का विजन है, दैट इज इनसाइडर्स इनसाइट्स, तो वो
Yes,
बहुत अच्छे से मिल रहा है।
yes, thank you, thank you. The reason I keep on doing this is because when I when we are in this field, you need a lot of mentors. This field is new, and I always felt that if I could have had anyone to sort of guide me or talk to me about all of these things, it would have been really helpful. So, see, and also we need to understand is that आप कोई भी फील्ड में जाओ ना, we should not have that crab mentality of putting the other person down. That's very detrimental. So I have this knowledge and I have this experience. I want to share it because I feel passionate about it. Psychology is much more than a profession for me. It is something which I truly feel about. So
बिल्कुल।
अगर मेरे नॉलेज से या मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से किसी का थोड़ा भी कुछ फायदा हो जाता है, आई वुड बी रियली हैप्पी. एंड we are in this stage जैसे कहते हैं ना, that I learn from you, you learn from me, and the process always continues. So um, not that, it's just that it's a matter of time कि मैं इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम रही हूँ, तो मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा पता है. However,
बिल्कुल।
times have changed now. So the time at which our students are now in, they would probably be knowing things that I don't know. And until and unless I don't open up to them, I will not learn. So it's a
बिल्कुल।
two-way thing that way. So insights come from everywhere. That's
बिल्कुल।
the point that I'm trying to tell you. It may come from you.
बिल्कुल।
It may come from all of our viewers over here who will keep on asking a lot of questions, and उससे अलग ही तरह का इंसाइट मिल जाएगा फिर.
बिल्कुल
Yes,
मैम। और साथ में स्नेहा मेंशन कर रही हैं कि ट्रू
yes.
ट्रू ट्रू, सो एनरिचिंग, अ रादर ग्रेट स्टार्ट टू द सीरीज। तो
Thank you, Sneha. Thank
स्नेहा
you.
स्नेहा जो है इज was the first person that I interviewed for season 1 of Insider
Wow.
Insights.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And it was an amazing start with her, क्योंकि it was only after हर session की हम लोगों ने मतलब ग्रो करना स्टार्ट किया बहुत अच्छे से।
Right,
एंड
right.
साथ ही साथ में it was only with her session that we were able to hit 1 lakh views, and that was a great achievement for us.
That is so
तो
fantastic. And Sneha, thank you so much for being here with us. It really means a lot. And I'm sure, it must be a very warm feeling for Amit as well, because
बिल्कुल।
it's a milestone that you've achieved, and having you as a viewer with us and enjoying it is really heartwarming. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And she has been here since the start of the session, पिछले वाले में.
Wow. Yes.
And she's also currently working as a school counselor in Alwar, and she was the one who requested and who approached the organization and said
Yes.
that we need a child psychologist here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
That's
it's
really
only
good.
because of her that I was, having a keen eye कि I have to look for a child psychologist. मैम, जब क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने इंस्टाग्राम पे पुट करे थे,
हाँ हाँ.
एंड तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो सवाल पूछे थे वो देवर मेजरली अराउंड अपब्रिंगिंग, कि
Yes.
किस तरीके से हम लोग बच्चे की अपब्रिंगिंग पे फोकस कर सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स का क्या रोल होता है इस चीज में,
हाँ हाँ.
एंड बेसिकली नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर
Yeah.
डिबेट पे भी कुछ सवाल थे। तो अगर आप उनको क्यूमुलेटिवली एड्रेस कर दें कि चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी में हाउ मच इज द फोकस ऑन पेरेंट्स एंड द अपब्रिंगिंग दैट दे आर गिविंग टू
A
देयर
lot,
चिल्ड्रन।
a lot, a lot. Simply because, like I said, child psychology starts with children who are very young also. So at that point in time, most of what the parents do is going to be of a greater impact on the child's development. पहले तो पेरेंट्स से ही स्टार्ट होता है कि पेरेंट्स बच्चे के साथ कैसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. Based on what the child observes, then the child internalizes that, and when the child learns to express, वो दिखाना start कर देता है. So the role of parents is very very important. And also, having said that, it also becomes very very important as a child psychologist to understand that parenting practices have changed, families have changed, family dynamics have changed, gender roles have changed. So what we as children probably saw, we are not doing the same thing now, and our children are not going to be doing the same thing that they see us doing, may not do that. So we need to account in for that factor as well. And when you're giving in parenting strategies, which is what one of the most difficult questions which comes across, कि parents को हम कैसे समझाएं, क्या बोले? There is one approach which is the right and wrong parenting approach, कि आपको ऐसे करना चाहिए और ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. In my experience, I found it doesn't work well, because even as children are unique, they come in with their unique set of experiences. Even parents are unique. I may have had a different experience of, being raised up as a child, as a girl. When I get married, I may see the experience either is the same in my new family or it is a different experience in my new family. And the third generation which comes in, for me as a mother, it is going to be a conflict. Which side do I lean in more into? The way I was brought up as a child, if the same methodology is used in the new family, फिर तो कोई issue ही नहीं है. But if there is a difference in upbringing and in rearing in the new family, then you are at a crossroads and you don't know what to do. So what happens is, as a parent, your focus will be on, am I doing the right thing or not? And the focus is so much on whether I am doing the right thing or not, we tend to lose sight of, is it appropriate or needed for the child or not? So in parenting, it is very important to get back that focus. Sometimes more, and nowadays most parents are also very critical of themselves. Times are hard. Both partners need to work. They want to give enough time to the child, but they are not able to give enough time to the child. Also, when you leave children with grandparents are a great source, of bonding with the child and teaching the child. But much also depends on the nature and temperament of the grandparent. Say if you have a grandparent who has physical issues, ज़्यादा बच्चे के पीछे भाग नहीं सकता, बहुत जल्दी थक जाते हैं, पेरेंट्स आर वर्किंग, खाना नहीं खिला सकते बच्चे को दौड़ाते दौड़ाते हुए, तो अच्छा ठीक है चलो टीवी है, टीवी के सामने बिठाकर खिला दो. So unknowingly all these practices start coming into the picture. So is it the parents' fault over here? No, it's not. Is it the grandparents' fault over here? No, it is not their fault. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में क्या किया जाए? तो फिर इसमें राइट और रॉन्ग अप्रोच काम नहीं आता. Then for each parent, for each family, you need to give them tailor-made solutions. A lot of people may not agree with me on that, because they would be like कि आप अगर 100 पेशेंट्स देखोगे या इतने सारे पेशेंट देखोगे तो हर एक को अलग अलग दोगे. Of course, हर एक को अलग अलग देना पड़ेगा. Only after the first 10 or first 20, you might realize that there is a common pattern. And once you start factoring that, it is only after that that you can develop some common strategies. But start तो आपको individual approach से ही करना पड़ेगा. So it's very important that parenting be taken as an individual experience. Just as child development is individual, parenting is also individual. So we can say, it is very easy to say nowadays, बच्चों को screen time मत दो, limit their screen time. Try asking this to a mother who stays in a nuclear family. Now with the lockdown coming into the picture, and there being no house help at work, तो अगर माँ किचन में खाना बना रही है तो वो बच्चे को कहाँ रखेगी? किचन में रखेगी, गैस के सामने. इट्स अ सेफ्टी हैजर्ड. सो शी वुड डेफिनेटली थिंक, ओके चलो उसको थोड़ा टीवी चला के देती हूँ या थोड़ा आईपैड भी गेम्स दे देती हूँ, उसपे कम से कम कुछ सीखेगा तो सही. द इंटेंशन इज फॉर द चाइल्ड टू लर्न The intention is not wrong. The father over there वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो पीसी भी ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते, बच्चा चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता है, तो वो चीज में क्या करे. Even parents are human beings, they tend to lose it at times, and believe me, they might not show it, but they are the ones who feel the most guilty for losing it on their child. And if they come to you and tell you that, oh, you know, I lost it on my child, as a psychologist you cannot tell him ये तो आपने गलत approach use किया parent का. It's wrong. They're already dying in self guilt over there. You need to comfort them, you need to make them realize that you are human, you make mistakes, your intention was not to make a mistake but ho gaya. Now let's try to figure out a way where you can reduce the instances. Okay, you know, you are likely to feel stressed out, can we do something so that you are less likely to feel stressed out, so that your relationship with your child improves. So this is the approach that needs to go for parenting. Parenting is not a suit ki one size fits all. It's tailor made. Each child is different, each parent is different, the way they communicate with their children is different. Yeah, but what needs to be focused across is effective communication with children. That works across any level, any group. That is common. That's something which you need to try and bring up in your sessions with a parent, in whatever capacity, you know, whether you're working as a child psychologist, whether you're working as a teacher, whether you're working as a school counselor, that you need to keep communication open. And I came across this very good method of communication with parent and children. It's known as the name method of communication. बड़ा ही सिंपल है. यू नो, वी टेंड टू टेल अ चाइल्ड कि उसने अगर सामान बिखरा हुआ है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि अरे यू आर सच अ मेसी चाइल्ड, सामान ढंग से रखना भी नहीं आता. You want to tell the child to clean up so that the child learns how to clean up the mess. But what have you told the child? You put a label on the child that you are a messy child and you don't know how to organize your stuff well. So the child will internalize that label. So to improve communication, what you do? You name the behavior. So you start with, okay, Rahul, you have created a mess in the room. Okay, I do not like the mess because you will end up tripping over it. So how about we clean it up? आपको बोलना वही था ना, लंबा करके बोल दो, बच्चा समझ जाएगा. But we are so pressed for time that वो shortcut के चक्कर में we end up assigning labels. So this is one method which we need to make parents consciously aware of that. That is the one thing which will be across all type of parenting. That is one thing I can tell it to you, that you work on enhancing their communication skills, more than half of their issues would get solved. Because you communicate openly with the child learns to trust you, the child will communicate openly with you. And it works well with toddlers also, not just 5-year-old, 6-year-old, works well with toddlers also. कभी कभी हम बच्चों को underestimate करते हैं कि वो क्या समझ पाएगा. नहीं, you try having adult like conversations with them just in this way. उनको explanations चाहिए. They are perceptive, they can understand what is going on around you. They need you to make sense out of that. Help them make sense. And you would be surprised at the mental and emotional development that they have. They develop much faster. और वो फिर आपको लगता है कि हमारा बच्चा बहुत जल्दी बड़ा हो गया, in a good way, because that maturity is endearing, you know. You'll realize that the child has now understood that this needs to be packed. So for a 2.5-year-old, अच्छा अगर मेसी है वो खुद डाल जाके रख देगा वो. You do not need to tell him every time. So for that level of achievement in a 2.5-year-old, do you understand the process that goes into it from a small child's point of view? उसने देखा कि मैंने खेला, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया, अभी मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूं तो मुझे वापस रखना चाहिए. इतने सारे स्टेप्स वो छोटे से बच्चे ने सीख लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट करा उससे. And you trusted the child that you will understand. You may require a few attempts, but you need to have that trust in the child. So, second thing, always trust your child. That is something that we need to tell parents. Have a good communication and trust your child. Everything else will fall in place. Everything else will fall in place.
And आपने जो ये the name method of communication बताया,
Yeah.
मतलब हम लोग जाने अनजाने में काफी बार ये चीजें समझते तो हैं। जैसे
हाँ,
मैं अब साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ तो मैं बहुत बार समझता हूँ कि नहीं नहीं, हमें ऐसे लेबल नहीं करना चाहिए, थोड़ा
यस, यस,
नाम लेना चाहिए, लेकिन काफी बार हम लोग भी बहुत इफेक्टिवली वो चीज प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते हैं।
यस,
लेकिन
या,
इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि अगर ये चीजें बार बार हम ध्यान में रखें तो हम
या,
कोशिश जरूर कर सकते हैं।
yes, 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 yes. See,
बिल्कुल।
again, a problem with us as psychologists is कि हम लोग ना अपने आप को कभी कभी सुपर ह्यूमन समझ लेते हैं, in the sense that we do not allow ourselves to make humanly mistakes, which we would have otherwise been very okay with if we were not in the profession of psychology. But if we make that error, तो we think कि हमने तो पढ़ा था कि हमें ऐसे नहीं करना, but हम ही वो चीज करके बैठे.
हाँ।
It's okay, it's fine. You know, you need to be a little soft on yourself also. Don't be too hard. It happens. And just as you call it the medical book syndrome, sometimes you tend to think कि सारी गलत चीजें मेरे साथ ही हो रही है. That's not true. You need to realize we are people first. Until
बिल्कुल
that realization is not there, you cannot be a good psychologist in any field, because
बिल्कुल
psychology is all about understanding and accepting another person, and that starts with yourself. You need to understand and accept yourself. The process is continuous and you have to be at it.
बिल्कुल।
Yeah.
तो देखिए, कृति कह रही हैं कि आई विश यू लिव इन दिल्ली, आई वुड हैव वर्कड ऑन रियल एंड
No, but
मैम साथ में।
technology is sorry to cut you in. Technology is something
जी जी
which
जी।
can always get us close. So thanks to Amit, I'm on Instagram now. We can always be connected on that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड प्लस अगर सारी चीजें ठीक रही और
हाँ,
मैम भी थोड़ा मोटिवेटेड रही, टाइम मिलता रहा, तो मैम जरूर कुछ वर्कशॉप का या फिर
yes.
इंटर्नशिप का जरूर कुछ पॉसिबिलिटी देखेंगी।
Yes,
तो
I
वो
will.
भी एक
I will.
अच्छी चीज है।
If I
बिल्कुल
cannot have you with me, I can definitely guide you to where you can go.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Yes, yes.
साथ में मैम मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, अब से 2 या 3 साल पहले, तो
Hmm.
माय फादर पिक्ड मी अप फ्रॉम दिल्ली। तो
Okay.
मैं मेरठ में रहता हूँ, तो दिल्ली से
अच्छा.
मेरठ लेके आ रहे थे।
हाँ.
एंड पापा के एक न्यूली वेड फ्रेंड, मतलब उनके हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों साथ में ही थे।
Okay.
एंड शी रियलाइज्ड कि आई एम अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट।
Okay.
एंड पूरे रास्ते बस वो यही जानती रही कि व्हाट आर द गुड बुक्स जो मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ, ताकि मुझे पता चल सके कि क्या अच्छे तरीके हो सकते हैं पेरेंटिंग के। बिकॉज आज के टाइम में द न्यू पेरेंट्स, दे सो वांट टू सपोर्ट अ पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ टू देयर चिल्ड्रन, कि वो
Yes.
ये सारी चीजें पढ़ते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इतने सारे बल्क ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन के बीच में वो सही इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो
Yes.
ऐसे में
And
वुड यू रिकमेंड समथिंग ऑन दैट?
you mean to say books?
एनीथिंग, बुक्स, मटेरियल, और या कुछ इस तरीके की चीज,
Okay,
अगर इसके
if
बारे में
you
पढ़
are
सके तो।
looking at any form of books, you need to realize that books will only tell you how you are supposed to behave with a child. Every book will tell you that. Parenting is much more than that.
बिल्कुल
Parenting, if you go to see, is not just how you are going to behave with your child, but it is also your own experiences of how you felt as a child when you were with your parents.
बिल्कुल
If you have had a positive experience with them, you would want to imbibe some of those qualities also. So, say for example, you might find that your mother or your father is someone who doesn't take any nonsense from anyone. कि जो चीज है वो बोल देंगे और किसी से गुस्सा तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं लेंगे. पर जब बात आप पे आती है, they suddenly have a different side to themselves. They become very patient, and they are willing to give you a chance to vent out first and keep their emotions in check. Now, this is something which you will learn only if you have observed that. A book will not be able to give you that in depth of explanation which you have experienced. So, what I would suggest is that go back in your experiences. Human life, our own experiences are very rich. We don't tend to go back on them simply because we are just passing by life. they're just passing by. तो कभी हम reflect नहीं करते. So self reflection is also very important. Once you start reflecting on yourself, you would know which are the areas which you would want to develop better as a parent, and based on that you can choose resources. So what happens is, if you have a bulk of information, just doing a little bit of self reflection helps you to taper it down, that what is it that I want to look at. Also, why are new parents very worried today? There's another reason for that. I think it's getting a little dark here. I'll switch on the light.
जी
Yeah, better now. So
जी
why are parents getting so nervous about, whether I'm going to raise a child well enough or not? Is simply because we do not have enough role models. हम if you ever listen to your grandparents or your nannies, they would be like कि हम लोग तो सब साथ में रहते थे और घर का काम भी हो जाता था और बच्चे बढ़ जाते थे. क्यों बढ़ जाते थे बच्चे? क्योंकि there was someone to take care of the child. That is one.
बिल्कुल
Second thing is, as a parent, we never really had that approach of being very involved with the child. So it was just like कि ठीक है, बच्चे को खिलाया, नहलाया, सुला दिया, हो गया. अभी खिलाना, पिलाना, नहलाना कोई और भी कर देता है, that is fine. I will look at 10 other things in the kitchen or at the household, whatever is going on over there. One. Two is, even for the motor development of the child, children were not sedentary. So they were constantly moving around. तो वो डेवलपमेंट भी हो जाती थी बच्चों की. Now with the TV and technology coming in and the family shrinking, there is no extra support over there.
बिल्कुल
Okay. Also, there are chances that your mother, because she may have not had enough time to spend with you as a child because of the full joint family setup. And I'm not saying it in a negative way. I'm just trying to highlight how it impacts in terms of the changing time. Now suddenly, आप जब बच्चा उनके सामने छोड़ दोगे, it is going to be a new experience for them also, because they don't know how do we need to keep the child involved. Okay, and parents will have a different way कि नहीं, मुझे अपने बच्चे को ऐसे इन्वॉल्व करना है. वो एक्सपेक्टेशन रखेंगे वो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से कि आपको भी वैसे करना है. But there is a limitation, and everyone may not be able to see that limitation. So this is why parents become very anxious, because they want to be involved with the child, or to some level, it becomes very claustrophobic. इतना ओवर इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी ठीक नहीं है. Sometimes you just need to let the child be. So this, I can understand the anxiety of new parents, and the intention is good, but as psychologists, we need to help them to draw a line. कि यार इतने तक करो, थोड़ा छोड़ दो. कभी कभी बच्चों का गिरना जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि बच्चे जो गिर के अपने आप सीखते हैं वो आप नहीं सिखा पाओगे उनको. So that level, those understandings need to be given. Earlier, पेरेंटिंग वाज, जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, अभी हमको बच्चों को बड़ा करना पड़ता है. तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई पेरेंट्स आर एंग्शियस कि हम बच्चों को बड़े कैसे करेंगे. देयर इज नो सपोर्ट अराउंड देम. देयर इज नो सपोर्ट. अगर एंड इवन the worst thing that technology has done is it has turned us all into idiot boxes to a certain level. Like most of the time we would either be glued in front of the PC, or be glued in front of the phone, or in front of the TV. We need to understand that technology is a part of our life. I am not saying that don't use it, but it is being used excessively at the cost of other things which are important. So you need to prioritize first. Don't forsake technology, क्योंकि जब बच्चा बड़ा होगा तो he will end up hearing his or her friends about ABC things and feel lost because he doesn't know it. But give a balance. So for new parents, you need to reflect at your own experiences, see what are the areas that you are doubtful about parenting, and accordingly find out resources. Try and read books which are written by doctors or pediatricians. That's the best. Don't use the internet for that. Yeah.
एंड अलीना जी, मेरी तरफ से एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा कि आप फाइनली, मतलब बच्चों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो अपना करियर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी में बनाना चाहते हैं? एंड साथ ही साथ में कुछ पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स भी हैं जो सेशन में जुड़े हुए हैं, तो
हाँ
आप
हाँ.
उन्हें भी अगर कुछ कहना चाहें, एड्रेस करना चाहें.
See, for anyone who is working with children in the capacity of a psychologist or a parent or a teacher, remember that children are not small adults. They are children. They have their
बिल्कुल.
own ways of viewing things, their own ways of understanding things. And because they are growing, their level of understanding will definitely be different compared to us.
बिल्कुल.
But
बिल्कुल.
they need the same respect as you would give an adult.
बिल्कुल.
So, if you have a disagreement with your child, no matter what age the child is, instead of being imposing, which we tend to do, कि no, just because I told you, आपको ऐसे करना है, reason out with the child. You would be surprised at how
जी.
even young toddlers, they appeal to reason so well because उनको वो process समझ में आता है.
बिल्कुल.
Toddlers need to make sense of everything around them. They need to understand what the process is. And that can only happen if you treat them as an equal and respect them. And this
बिल्कुल.
holds true for all children, whether they are neurotypical children or children with developmental delays. You need to respect them.
बिल्कुल.
You need to validate their feelings
बिल्कुल.
that, okay, you're feeling angry right now. Give them time to calm down. Of course, we also tend to get a little angry, but you also need to let them know कि अगर आप इतने टाइम में अपना बिहेवियर चेंज नहीं करोगे तो मुझे गुस्सा आ जाएगा. That is also normal for you to say that. Why? Because what are you teaching the child? कि एवरी टाइम मम्मा पापा या टीचर मेरे साथ प्यार से बात नहीं करेंगे, उनका भी लिमिट आने वाला है. And I
बिल्कुल.
better start, being mindful of the fact that I cannot only go according to my own ways, but मुझे दूसरों के चीजों का भी या दूसरों के इमोशंस का भी ख्याल रखना है.
बिल्कुल.
Two is kindness and empathy need to be taught. We expect कि बच्चे जैसे बड़े हो गए ऑटोमेटिकली काइंड हो जाएंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली एम्पैथेटिक हो जाएंगे, एंड दे विल स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि हम लोग ने उनके लिए लाइफ में कितना कुछ किया है. You need to be upfront about telling them that. Sometimes we shy away. We are like, बच्चा देखेगा तो समझ जाएगा, अभी उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्यों देना, बच्ची बड़ी हो जाएगी तो समझ जाएगी कि घर में काम करना है, या लड़का बड़ा हो जाएगा तो समझ जाएगा कि थोड़ा यहाँ पे ना सब ढंग से रखना है. समझ नहीं जाएगा, आपको स्टार्ट करना है राइट फ्रॉम being a young child. You need to instill the values in them which you want them to be as an adult.
बिल्कुल.
So if you want them to be empathetic, you start young. You start telling them that okay, you have to learn to use sorry, thank you, please. थोड़ा stories के जरिए थोड़ा you set an example and lead by example. Sometimes if
बिल्कुल.
you are a working parent and the child is being too clingy, you can say that mama has some work. This is mama's work time. Why don't you go do that and I will come back and spend some more time with you and adhere to that. मतलब 5
बिल्कुल.
मिनट बोल के आधा घंटा मत लगा देना, वो तो then the trust is going to go away only. But you need to adhere to that. So don't shy away from making children realize in a positive way that there are others around you who are doing things for you and you need
बिल्कुल.
to be thankful for them. So these are two things: respect them and make them realize
बिल्कुल.
empathy and gratitude. Yes.
मैं मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे हमेशा ये लगता था कि मुझे ये तो अंदाजा था हमेशा से अपने पेरेंट्स को देखते हुए और अपनी ग्रोथ को देखते हुए कि भाई पेरेंटिंग आसान काम तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
लेकिन लेकिन मैं पता नहीं, मतलब मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि आप जिस तरीके से बता रही हैं ना चीजें, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कितना सरल है. मतलब बस ये चीजें हमें पता नहीं थी, हम लोग अवेयर नहीं थे इस तरीके की चीजों
Yes.
से.
Yes. Yes.
बिल्कुल.
And you are right. Once the awareness sets in, no, for anything, there is a certain amount of clarity which comes in, and that clarity in itself is very empowering.
बिल्कुल.
Yes. Yes.
अलीना जी, मैं एक बार
Yes.
देखिए, मुझे पता नहीं आपने कितने कमेंट्स मिस करे या नहीं करे, पर मैं कुछ टॉप कमेंट्स में एक बार आपके लिए रीड आउट करना चाहता हूँ इस वाले सेशन के. सो setting some high standards for how a psychologist should be in real life. That is for you. Ma'am, you explain very beautifully and बहुत अच्छे से
Thank
and
you. Thank you.
deep and साथ ही साथ में thank you for this session. Thank you, ma'am, for your words for us. Very important points and amazing session. Very informative.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward for more such sessions.
Thank you.
And साथ
Thank
ही
you.
साथ में आपने empathy और gratitude में काफी points cover कर दिए हैं मैम. So she is thanking you for that.
Thank you.
और साथ ही साथ में that adaptive behavior needs to be taught from early in their life. And
Yes.
it's really nice to hear you, ma'am. And साथ में it's for Power Within, that Power Within and team providing us with very good insights. So yeah. So ये कुछ है जो मैं नीचे से नीचे देख पा रहा था.
No, no.
तो मैंने
Thank
वो
you.
रीड आउट
Thank
कर
you.
दिए.
Thank you.
एंड साथ में बहुत देर से जब आपने ये लास्ट वाला जब मैं सजेशन वाली चीज थी और उससे पहला जो सवाल था तब से लेके अब से कुछ देर तक बस रेगुलरली हार्ट्स भी चल रहे थे. वो तो आपको दिख ही रहे होंगे. बिल्कुल. सो अगर आप कुछ और ऐड करना चाहती हैं मैम तो आप ऐड कर लीजिए क्योंकि मेरी तरफ से तो मतलब सवालों का सिलसिला पूरा खत्म हो चुका है.
No, I would only like to add that, see, like I said, it's a learning session, and I have also learned a lot from you as the audience over there. Simply why? Because it gives you a better perspective. Like for me, as a student, for now, I know that students who are in the field of psychology are pretty serious about it. So that's very reassuring because we need people who are serious and passionate about it. I am also very happy to see that now all the other professionals are also starting to understand that childhood as a stage deserves importance and deserves some form of involvement by other professionals so that the stage yields maximum and optimum benefits for the individual, because this is the only stage which lays the foundation of the rest of your life. And if anything goes awry over here, it is not that it cannot be fixed, but adulthood may it will require a lot more effort compared to when you're able to address the issue early on. So that's all that I would like to say, that I'm very happy, being a part of this session. And thank you so much, Amit, for, really having this conversation with me, because not only at a professional level, but even at an individual level, it's very important for us to stay connected. We do not know where each one of us will be in the next 5, 10, or 15 years, at what level we would all be. But we need to realize that we are people first, professionals later, and in our professional capacity, we need to just collaborate. So I am not going to be anything without all of you, and you all would also need some of my expertise in a few areas so that collectively we can all progress together. So I would like to, just sort of end this session on a note of Ubuntu, which means abundance. There's everything for everyone, enough knowledge, enough place for us to practice, no need for us to be competitive about it, और बस हाथ पकड़ के ना गोल की तरफ चले जाना है हमको बस. Yes.
And ये आपके थॉट से भी मैं देख रहा था कि you believe that psychology has the potential to empower individuals.
Yes.
और they can move towards self optimization.
Yes.
बस थोड़ा guidance की जरूरत.
Correct.
पाथ दिखाने की जरूरत.
Correct. That's what we are, no? We are guides, nothing more than that.
And अभी आप बोल रही थी तो देखिए इतने में ही the way you articulate your thoughts, ma'am, is very beautiful.
Thank
Looking
you.
forward for more sessions.
Thank
Please
you.
save the session. थोड़ा सा बीच में छूट गया था. I want to see it. Smooth session. पता ही नहीं चला कब में सारा टाइम बीत गया. So
No, that is
ये
true. It
सारी
was a
चीजें
very
तो
smooth
आपको
session,
बिल्कुल ये सारी चीजें आपको attributed ज्यादा है क्योंकि मतलब हम लोग अपनी तरफ से सिर्फ कोशिश ही करते हैं कि कुछ अच्छे रेलेवेंट सवाल ला सके, बट अल्टीमेटली वो सिर्फ सवाल ही होते हैं, और सवालों
No,
के जवाब
Amit,
तो गूगल।
I would 100% disagree with you on that. जो सवाल होते हैं वो ही जरूरी होते हैं। जैसे कहते हैं ना, सवाल ही मार्गदर्शक होते हैं। आप सही सवाल पूछोगे तो आपको सही रास्ता दिखेगा। तो सवाल भी उतने ही जरूरी है। एंड वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस।
Thank you so much, ma'am. And with this, I'd like to thank all the viewers for joining us. और
थैंक यू।
मैम कह रही थी कि सेशन को देख के ये काफी बेहतर तरीके से पता चला कि कितने लोग इस तरीके की बातचीत में इंटरेस्टेड हैं।
यस यस।
और इसी चीज में मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि पिछले वाले सेशन में अराउंड 486 मतलब
वाओ।
हमारे पास व्यूअर्स जुड़े थे, विच इज क्वाइट गुड।
यस,
क्योंकि
इट
अगर हम
इज
इस
इट इज।
तरीके से देखें कि बच्चों के जब सवाल आते हैं, क्वेरीज आती है, तो हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि वो 5-10 बच्चे ही दिखते हैं हमेशा सवाल पूछते।
करेक्ट करेक्ट
तो हमें ये
करेक्ट।
नहीं पता चलता कि इतने सारे लोग हैं जो ये चीजें जानना चाहते हैं।
यस यस।
सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, एंड थैंक यू
थैंक यू।
एवरीवन। और मैं
थैंक यू।
आपसे रिक्वेस्ट जरूर करना चाहूंगा मैम कि थोड़ा कुछ टाइम में आप, अगर आपको किसी तरीके से टाइम या मैनेजमेंट की दिक्कत है, देन पावर विद इन वुड लाइक टू एक्सटेंड आवर सपोर्ट इस चीज को इफेक्टिवली मैनेज करने में, ताकि आप वर्कशॉप्स, वेबिनार्स या इंटर्नशिप जैसी चीज को और अच्छे से इफेक्टिवली कर पाए। तो आपको जहां हमारी कोई हेल्प चाहिए आप प्लीज बता दीजिएगा,
No,
क्योंकि
thank
आई
you
एम
so much,
लुकिंग
so
फॉरवर्ड फॉर
much.
दैट।
I am looking forward to collaborating with you too, you know. And you know, this is what I
बिल्कुल मैम।
like. See, I mean, it is such a positive atmosphere where ऐसे लग रहा है कि you know चाय या कॉफी पे गप्पे चल रहे हैं। यहाँ पे बैंगलोर में तो बारिश ही हो रही है, तो बस चाय कॉफी की ही कमी है साथ में। But yeah, and this is the atmosphere which we should all have always. That
बिल्कुल
there should be no boundaries. We all are learners, and
बिल्कुल
that holds true for me too.
एंड देखिए, अभी इतने में ही सिर्फ हमने कुछ ही देर की बात करी है, और इतने में आप कमेंट्स देखिए एक बार कि यू आर सच अ ग्रेट सोर्स फॉर फॉर नॉलेज ऑन चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी। आप खुद को हाइड नहीं कर सकती अब, सो प्लीज कम अप विद समथिंग बाय एनी प्लेटफॉर्म प्लीज। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस सेशन, सिंप्लिसिटी विद टू हार्ट्स।
Wow,
तो
thank you so much.
ये एक
Thank you.
ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से सारा सम अप कर दिया है इन्होंने पूरे सेशन के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स को।
Thank you so much.
प्लेजर
Thank
मैम।
you.
एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बातचीत करते हुए, एंड आई होप कि आने वाले समय में भी हम लोग अलग तरीके से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे एंड बच्चों से
Yes,
जुड़ पाएंगे
looking
इस तरीके
forward.
से।
Looking forward.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम,
All
थैंक यू
right.
सो मच
Thank
एवरीवन।
you. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great weekend.
थैंक यू,
Thank
बाय।
you. Bye.